If you need to adjust the parking brake, you can adjust it using the adjusting nut located under the brake lever. The stroke of the parking brake lever should be 5 to 7 clicks. I counted 11 on mine. Before adjusting, put the car in gear or put stops under the wheels so that the car does not roll during the adjustment. So, let's get started. First, you need to remove the lever trim plug and adjust the position using a 10 key. They say there is a 10 key. So we take it too. We try, but the head does not reach. Since the stud protrudes high, it is better to use an extended head. We turn the nut clockwise until the lever stroke is 5 to 7 clicks. I adjusted it to 6. We put the rubber plug back in place. This completes the adjustment. Subscribe to the channel.